All right. I guess there will be a lot of loading in there on my channel. So, but welcome anyway. If you want to go, just keep following my journey to looking for a home in Florida, and hopefully I find a good one. My first trip there. I mean, I've been there before, but not my first trip to go look for a home. I never thought I'm going to do this, but anyway. I better go put my seatbelt anyway. A lot of people probably haven't flown a lot lately. This might be your first flight since we've had to don the mask and all. We do appreciate your compliance with the mask. It's both Delta policy and a regulation now that everybody wear their mask for the duration of the flight. We appreciate that. But we just want to let you know we do our best to keep you a nice, clean, safe environment to go flying in between every flight. We have a dedicated cleaning crew come on board, wipe down all the armrests, the overhead guest vents, entry tables, that sort of thing. There you go. Got my seatbelt. And have an individual come through with a device called an electrostatic viral nebulizer. Fancy word for a virus killer. It's a fumigator. We hit all the carpets, the leather. Experience in it's been so long. 2019 was the last time I went and flew. Enough of that stuff. Beautiful day to go flying. 40 minutes of flying time to Atlanta. And I never thought I'm going to do this on my own. I'm not used to fly by myself. I always have my husband, but he passed away. So, well, now I have to go get started on my own. But anyway, I think it's almost there. It's ready to go. The plane is ready to go. There it is. It's something. Ready to go look forward to Florida. I need a kind of like a vacation. Looking for something for a vacation. So it's too ridiculous in so many ways because of this pandemic. Oh my God! I guess it's somebody's came in late. Oh. But you know, at least I have a chance to go to sleep last night. I wasn't expecting it because I'm afraid that I might not wake up. So I was planning to stay awake, but I guess closing my eyes and be up to sleep. So I look forward to it. I'm okay. In other words, I still a little bit sleepy. I guess probably tonight I will be sleeping really good. So we gonna look forward to it. Very, very, very good. And you know, like what I said, I know it might not be exciting right now because I'm inside the plane. I don't want to be look or sound crazy, and people will be looking at me. So anyway, everybody's wearing a mask here on plane, and they still have to social distancing. And like what I said, it's time for us to. I think it's time to go. And
I'm hungry too. I mean, I ate when I left the house, but I'm hungry. Hey, I just only hope that. Just only hope that um, this journey will be in a good uh, ways, and there will be no problem. You know, um, hopefully things will go. I know moving is not easy, especially if you're moving some stuff, and I don't know. I know I already started packing some of my stuff in at the house. So but I still have to try to pack as much as I can. And I'm so happy that I have a lot of boxes, so I don't have nothing to worry about that. I have some bubbles to wrap some of my breakable items. So hopefully it will be done. And I can believe the closing for my house is next week. So, but at least I told my friend that I have to stay there for a couple of more months because I have to still pack. And hopefully, like what I said, find me a home. And we're looking forward to it. I'm excited someday. My breath. I'm excited in so many ways. And then in the second hand, I'm worried or don't know what to do. So hopefully you will be always be there to support me. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, because we will go all the way to the Philippines in April, and I will continue to have a journey. Of course, this is also the same airport I'm going to go, and then we'll fly to Chicago, and then from Chicago to Tokyo, and then I will be going from Tokyo to Manila, and gotta have a 7 days quarantine at a damn place. But anyway, I'll be looking forward to it, and just keep watching. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to have update for all my trip. Okay, all the way to my journey. I'll talk to you later. Bye.